Hi, my name is Aiden.
And I'm Dominic.
Today we're going to be making crystals out of salt. For this experiment, you're going to need a cup, a bowl, some salt, some toothpicks, and clay.
So first we want to get some hot water.
We slowly and carefully pour the salt into the hot water until it stops dissolving. When you're done, the water shouldn't be clear and there should be a little bit of salt at the bottom. Once you've dissolved your water, you want to move it aside and get out your bowl. Now you're going to take your putty and put it at the bottom of the bowl. Then stick your toothpicks into the putty. Make sure your toothpicks are in solidly, but they aren't through the bowl. You don't want them going through the bowl. And then take your putty and push it up until the toothpicks are secure. Now you want to pour the salt water in to the bowl carefully and slowly. If you want to, you can get a teacher to do it. Now you want to set it in a warm and sunny area for the next few days and check on it every day.